Unveiling the layers of a renovation project. Welcome, learners! Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of renovation projects. Whether it's a home, an office, or any building, understanding the ins and outs of this process can be both fascinating and essential. Renovation involves reviving and restoring a space, making it more functional and aesthetically pleasing. Let's embark on this journey to uncover the meaning and significance of renovation projects. A renovation project refers to the process of improving or modernizing an existing structure. It's not just about making a place look better. It's about enhancing its usability, safety, and comfort. Renovations can range from simple updates, like painting walls, to comprehensive overhauls, such as restructuring entire rooms or updating electrical and plumbing systems. Renovations come in various forms, each serving a unique purpose. Here are a few types. Cosmetic renovations. These involve aesthetic upgrades like painting, installing new flooring, or updating fixtures and fittings. Structural renovations. This type includes significant changes to the building's structure, such as removing or adding walls, roof repairs, or foundation restorations. Restoration projects. Aimed at restoring a building to its original state, often used for historical preservation. Eco-friendly renovations. Focus on improving energy efficiency and sustainability, such as adding solar panels or energy-efficient windows. Effective planning is crucial for a successful renovation. This involves setting goals. Clearly define what you want to achieve. Budgeting. Establish a budget to guide your project and prevent overspending. Design and planning. Work with professionals to create a plan that meets your needs and complies with local regulations. Hiring professionals. Depending on the project's complexity, you might need architects, contractors, or interior designers. Execution. The renovation process, which can vary in duration based on the project's scope. Renovation projects can come with challenges, such as budget overruns, delays, and unexpected problems, like structural issues uncovered during the work. Planning, flexibility, and working with experienced professionals can help mitigate these issues. Renovations can transform spaces, making them more beautiful, functional, and tailored to our needs. Whether you're embarking on a small update or a major overhaul, understanding the process helps in achieving the best outcomes. We hope this exploration has illuminated the exciting world of renovation projects for you. Until our next lesson, happy learning!